4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar. Hi friends, you're all welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at an interesting topic, rounding off. What did I say? Rounding off. Let's write it. Rounding off of what? Numbers. Rounding off of numbers. Now, what is rounding off? What do you think is rounding off? We are either rounding up or we are rounding down, as the case may be. Are we there? We are rounding up or down, as the case may be, to a particular place value. Let's look at this number. If they give you this, round off this number to the nearest 10. Round off 28 to the nearest 10. Example, round off 28 to the nearest 10. How are we going to achieve this? Remember the rhyme we just said? We said 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar, let it go up. Now, we're going to use a little bit of an illustration. I'm putting a hill up here. This way, we'll have 10, and here we'll have 0. And on top of the hill, we'll have 5. Are we all there? Now we have 4, 3, 2, and 1. While this other side, we have 6, 7, 8, and finally 9. Are we all there? Now we are looking at this. Round off 28 to the nearest tens. This is 28 here. And this is our unit, and this is tens. This is our unit, and this is tens. We are rounding off to this nearest tens. And what number is there in the tens? The number is 2. What number is there in the tens? The number is what? 2. We look at 8, that is the closest neighbor unit. 8, is it this way? Where is 8 located in the hill? Is it this way or that way? 8 is here, right? Since 8 is here, what do? We run it up down to this hill, which is 10. What do we do here? We are going to add 1 to this plus 1 and replace here with 0. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Therefore, our answer will be what? 30. To round off 28 to the nearest tens is what? 30. 28 to the nearest tens is what? 30. Let's look at another number. If we have 374, number 2, 374, still to the nearest tens. 374 to the nearest tens. Now look at our 374 here. We have our unit, tens, and 100. Unit, tens, and 100. Now looking at it, this is the number equated. This is the place value we are looking for, which is 7. And the closest neighbor there is unit 4. So you look at 4. 4, is it up to 5 that is going to go this way, or is it below 5 that will come down this way? Now looking at it, 4 is here, so it's going down to 0, and let it rest. You don't add anything to 7. So we'll have here 0, 7. 7 remains 7, and then we bring down our 3. So to round off 374 to the nearest tens will give us 370. To the nearest tens will give us what? 370. Are we all there? Hope it's an interesting topic and you're enjoying it. Now we are going to round off to the nearest 100. We'll round off to the nearest what? 100. Let's look at this. We are going to round off 9,863 to the nearest 100. Let's say number 3, 9,863 to the nearest 100. Now let's bring it down this way. 9863. Let's place our units, tens, 100 and 1,000. Where is 100 there? Remember, we are rounding off to what? Hundreds. Where is 100 there? This way. The place value there is what? We are seeing 8. 800. That's 8 here. And what's the closest neighbor? Is it unit or tens? No, it is what? Tens. So we'll be looking at this number and this number. These two numbers, that's what we are going to look at. Now we look at 6. Where is 6 positioned this way on the hill? Where is 6? Is 6 going this way down to 0, or is going down to 10 for you to add an extra number? Now what is it going down to? It's going down to 10. So what we do, we replace here with 0. Here is already going to be 0. We replace here with 0. Then we'll do plus 1 here to the hundreds. The answer will be 9,900. 9,900. That is 9,863 to the nearest hundreds will be 9,900. Are we all there? Let's look at this one now. 4,958 as our number 4. 4,958 to the nearest what? Hundreds. To the nearest hundreds. 4,958 to the nearest hundreds. As usual, we'll put our units, tens, hundred, and thousands. We are looking at our place value here, 9. And what's the nearest neighbor? 5. And look at where 5 is, so it's going down this way to 10. So we first of all replace here with 0, and this other tens we replace with 0 and do plus 1 here, plus 1 to 9. So we have here 0, 0. 1 plus 9 is also what? 0. And then we'll carry that 1 over to 4, where we'll be having 5. So our final answer for this, 4,958 to the nearest hundreds, it will be 5,000. It's approximately to 5,000. Hope you enjoyed the class, but trust me, I'm not going to all leave you empty-handed. I'm going to give you an activity to do, and I'll be in the comment section to say it. Now let's do this. Let's do these two activities. You have 2,871. Do this, please. 1, you have 2,874 to the nearest what? Tens. This one will do to the nearest tens. Tens. And number 2, we have what is 5,371 to the nearest tens too. Thank you so much for today's class. Bye-bye.